Hey guys, Asad Firm back with you again with another video. In this video we have a Ford EcoSport 2015 model, and we have a problem with a leakage. As you can see here, it's on the minimum level. So in order to remove your water inlet, you have to remove your pipes, you have to remove your air intake, which is here, you have to remove your battery and try to get access from this side of this engine. That's the easiest way you can get through here. One thing I forgot to mention is the distributor is also up in here, which you have to dismantle and just keep it on the side so you can get access. Okay guys, so the water inlet is in this here on the right side of the engine, and this is how it looks from outside. You have 4 screws you need to remove, including one screw up here which is connected to the plastic, which is here on the side, which holds the other pipes with it. Okay guys, so this is the new water outlet. That's the part number if you need. So here's a comparison of the old one and the new one. As you can see here, this rubber seal is fully burned, and we cannot just replace the rubber. As you can see here, I will show you. It is damaged from the inside as well. That's what caused the leak. And like here you see the rubber, plus it has a plastic, while in the old one it's all gone. And that's the bottom part. Now once done, and you connect it here, and you make sure every screw is tightened. Don't forget to connect the pipes. One outlet here, and this other one from the radiator goes to the front in here. Okay guys, so once you've put everything back, don't forget to fill your coolant. Alright, make sure everything is working fine. Check around if any leaks, and that's how you change your water outlet. Thank you very much for watching our video again. Please like and subscribe in our channel. Thank you very much. Till next time, drive safe.